Hi, everybody. Okay, so I'm just going to show you my little version of Mustang Sally. I mean, it's not choreographed by me. The choreographer is Verdonk. And Mattias Perkio. I'm so sorry. I didn't pronounce that right. But everyone, kind of puts their own little twist onto things. And this is just part of this I learned from the Lewis Clark Valley girls. But I kind of put my own little twist in it too. So I'm just going to show you how I do it. Okay, I'm gonna. I think I'm just gonna do a couple of rounds, and then I'll break it down. Here we go. Maybe. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5. That's it. Okay. These are for my classes because I teach 3 different places, and they want to say, well, how can you send me a video and I go look for one? I don't know. None of them look quite like I do mine, so it follows everything he says. Just a couple spots. Okay, so hopefully Verdonk doesn't mind what my interpretation was of it. Okay, so starts out with stepping right, left, and anchor step. Well, they do sweeps, and that's enough. I don't do because I just look funny doing them. But you are supposed to do these sweeps. I'll try to do them, but then I'll show you I don't do them. Okay, but you walk twice. Let me start back here. Weights on your left. You're gonna walk twice. Step, step, anchor, step. Then you're supposed to sweep, sweep, and a quarter turn to the left. Left coaster step. 7 and 8. Okay, that's how he wrote it. If you look good doing sweeps, you do them. But I don't always look so good. I feel funny doing them. But that's how it's written. So that again, first section, I'm going to do them without the sweeps. I'm just going to step back. Weights on your left, starting with your right foot. 1, 2, anchor, 3 and 4. Step back, coaster, 7 and 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And if you wanted, you could do a full turn on 1, 2 also. Next section, you're just going to do diagonal step together, step touch. First with the right, then with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here's how I like to do this part. It's jump out and cross, okay? I do it like this. And heel and cross. My half turn to the left is with 2 little heel taps. 5, 6. And then, that was 3, 4. I'm sorry. Let me do that again. I don't want to screw up. Okay, anyway, I'm going to do it this way anyways because I want you to see. You're doing it here, but I'm going to show you this way. You're doing step together, step touch. Step together, step touch, step together, step touch, and heel, and 1 and 2. That was and 1 and 2. 3, 4 is your full half turn to the left, but I tap my heels, 3, 4. Weights on my left when I'm done with that. You're going to step forward, 5, 6, and then you're going to do a half turn sailor step to the right, 7 and 8. And I tend to do that section a little bit different too. I'll have to show you. It just is easier for me to step, half turn, and then do a coaster step. But do it how you want to do it. I'm going to show you both ways again. Maybe best to show you this way. Let's go ahead and do our step together. This is such a mess. I better start from the top. Okay, here we go. Step, step, anchor, step back, left, right, turning left, coaster, step, step together, step, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, turning to the left, 3, 4. This is how some of us do it because it was just easier than doing a half turn sailor step. Still moving the same feet at the same time and everything, okay? 1, now we turn, 2, and do a coaster step, 3 and 4, or you could do a sailor step right there. So that must have been 7 and 8. Yes, it is. Let's do that again. This is one of my worst videos. Okay, so you touched here. You did step together, step, touch. Your right foot's touching. And heel. And cross. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last section, you're going to walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. And point, and then you're going to do your hip bumps. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Leaving weight on your left. Your right foot's just out here touching, and you're ready to start the dance again with your step, step. Step, step. Anchor, back, back, coaster. Okay? So I'm going to do that one more time up here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step, anchor, back, left, right, turning left, coaster, step, step together, step, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, left side, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4. Weights on your left. Step forward. 6, coaster, 7, and 8. Last section. Going to be walking. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope that works out for you. I know I messed it up quite a bit, but I hope it works for my gals, okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.